Bye bye Vegas. I was waiting for this moment from long time. The most important reason was to meet my childhood friends. A reunion after more than 15 years. That's too on your land.
Hi.
The land of dreams, the land of lights, the land of fun and entertainment, the land of money and fame. The place which runs 24 by 7, a never sleeping city, and the most happening place in the world. What I heard and saw about you in films and TV channels, you are more crazy and fabulous than that.
Yo, baby! It's Vegas time!
The only happening road which is being called a strip. You have created, carved, and built up the whole world in it. Your beauty is so adorable and so mesmerizing, which gives the kick and letting a person go in the flow of your craziness. On the first day, me and my friends were planning what to do and where to go. But once we just took a step out on your strip, we realized that we don't have to drive for our plans. The city drives your plans slowly and surprisingly. I have encountered the craziness what you have in you in all angles. Your casinos, your clubs, your entertainment, and the live shows just made me crazy. Besides the happening look of you, you have another side which I was able to explore while driving on the road to Grand Canyon. The one-day return journey by car with my friends, driving in the valleys of Arizona. Clear sky and huge mountains around us was a thrilling experience for me. An amazing view of the valley at Grand Canyon sky deck just blew my mind away. Overall, spending 3 nights in your city was a great experience. I'm taking with me all kind of experience and memories from you and moving ahead for my next destination. Hope in future I get a chance to come back again and say, hello Vegas. Until then, keep rocking and keep that energy level in you always. I am and I always will be the outsiders.